right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Favre Chrome full-size rep with inscription. So we'll check the time, February 20th at 7:02 p.m. We're going to go over to, I got to scoot that down a little bit. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have February 20th at 7:02 p.m. There is the list of our 35 entries with our mini spots filled in. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 5. All right, here we go. 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 30 is your winner. So, Jason, please PM me to collect your Brett. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, February 20th, 7:03 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.